What is up guys, Karmamedic here and welcome back to another dose. Welcome to my vlog on my day off from studying. In this long 4-month period of studying that I'm doing for the USMLE exam, I've decided that I'm going to take every single Friday off because I just need a little bit of a break. I can't study for 9 hours a day infinitely and I need to do other things in my life that make me happy. For example, making these YouTube videos. Even though it is my day off, I still have a to-do list with a bunch of things that need to get done. So I'm going to take you guys along so that you see what it's like when I'm not studying. Now before we move on with the vlog, let's address the elephant in the room, which is that my hair is growing absolutely out of control because I know all the comments are telling me that I have a mushroom on my head or a palm tree or I look like Sonic the Hedgehog or something like that. I'm gonna try and go fix my hair and then we're gonna continue the rest of the video. So let's get to work. I don't know guys, this might be worse than when we started. But anyways, let's get on with the vlog. Welcome back. I haven't vlogged in a very long time because I've been busy studying and filming and editing other kinds of videos, which you've hopefully been seeing and enjoying on the channel. I don't think I can live in this house any longer without giving it a good clean and a good vacuum. So that's probably the first thing that I'm gonna do. Alright, had a quick catch up with Lex and now it's time to actually get started and do some things around the house. So cue the time lapse and when I'm done everything will be clean. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Clean room, clean mind, clean energy. And that is it. Got a nice clean room, ready to move on to other things in the day. So let's consult my to-do list and see what is in the cards for today's vlog. And I should also probably straighten you guys out. Alright, so I've got grocery shopping on here. Our fridge is absolutely empty. We've been cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner at home every single day for both me and my sister, so the fridge is running out a lot faster than we expected. I also need to do some editing for the next vlog that you guys are going to see probably before this one comes out, but it's coming out next Thursday for me. And then I've got a bunch of things that I want to do for YouTube, planning out some videos, writing some ideas and scripts down, etc. So I want to work on that as well. So as you can see, it still is a productive day off, just not studying for this huge, dreadful exam. Alright, I think I've pushed work along for long enough. Time to sit down and get things done. Alright guys, finished an hour of work on that. Now my sister and I are gonna head down to the supermarket. Going to the supermarket is basically the only time we've left the house in the last couple of weeks. We go about once a week and try and get as much food as we possibly can to last us until the next time we go out. Staying at home, flattening the curve, etc, etc. I got these really nice black Timberland boots a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't left the house at all, so I haven't been able to wear them much. I'm gonna wear them today. Alright, so before we go to the shops, my sister and I, we go to the kitchen, see what we're missing and write down all the things that we need so that we hopefully don't forget once we actually get there. Alright, so we have enough pasta? Yes. What about quinoa rice we have? Eggs, ketchup we don't need anymore. Coffee for sure, olive oil, onion, cumin, need potatoes as well. So we're heading to Tesco. It feels very, very good to be out of the house. It's just so refreshing, honestly. We're seeing the same walls, the same items every single day. This is very, very good for the mental health. Pick up as much food as we can possibly carry in our hands and then head back home and cook some lunch. Anything you want to say? No. All right, okay, talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, just did a massive Tesco shop. Got 4 big bags stuffed with food and also my backpack with everything that's heavy. Nora's finishing up at the second shop. Alright, we're back. Got many bags of shopping. Woo. Alright guys, all done with the food shop. Gonna now get started on cooking. We had defrosted some mincemeat yesterday, so we're gonna use that to make pasta bolognese. We're gonna cut that up and then sit down and watch an episode of Breaking Bad. During this period, we're all spending a lot of time at home. Me and Nora are making as much of an effort as we can to call our parents a little bit more often than we usually do. Gonna call my mum, see what she's up to. She's the one who always picks up. My dad is hit or miss. Hi mom!
Hi, شفتوا المطر؟
شفنا المطر.
شفنا ثلج.
كيفك حبيبتي؟ شو عم تعملوا؟
أهلاً.
هاي بابا، كيفك؟ Alright guys, so the sun has very kindly decided to poke its head out. So Nora and I are gonna do our almost daily tradition of having a tea or a coffee on the balcony. We just sit down for like 10 or 20 minutes to catch up with each other and take a break from our respective work. Anyway, let's grab some tea and I'll meet you out on the balcony. Hey guys, it's me, your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, Karma Medic. Had a really good chat with the family and managed to relax a little bit with my sister. I'm just gonna sit down and edit for an hour or two now. I have this vlog over here that's going live next week, which has quite a bit of work to do. There's a lot of like transitions and texts and things like that. So I want to start working on it early so I make sure it's ready and perfect when Thursday comes around. I've made myself a tea because I'm incapable of doing pretty much anything without a hot drink in my hand. And yeah, just gonna sit down and do this for a while. Hope you guys enjoy the time lapse and I will catch you after that. Alright, you get back to work and I'll catch you in a bit. That's it. Throughout the week when I remember that there's things that I need to do but I can't do right now because I'm focusing on my studies, I put it off and add it to my to-do list that I'm going to do during my day off on a Friday. And so now that I've gone through that to-do list and done a lot of that work, it really lifts some weight off my shoulders. It gets a bit of this pressure off of my chest and I feel like I can go back to studying tomorrow with a more clean mind, a clean energy and attitude, and you know, not have these things sort of hovering over me that I need to get done. So I think what I'm going to do now is hit up my boys on the Call of Duty Warzone chat that we have. It's called Cough on Duty in order to reflect the times that we're in right now. We try and play every couple of days, usually around nighttime when we're all a little bit more free. I'm going to finally close Final Cut Pro. That's enough editing for one day, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, that is it. Just finished playing COD with the boys. We didn't manage to get a win. We came 3rd, 6th, and 9th, I think. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of insight into what I do on the days where I do study and also what I do on the days where I don't study. It's honestly been a really fun day of filming. I've enjoyed it from the moment that I woke up, and now I'm just gonna get into bed, maybe watch something, chill for a little bit with my sister, and then call it a night. And wake up bright and early tomorrow for another day of studying. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it provided some value to you in some aspect of your life. If it did, please do leave a like on the video and also subscribe to my channel to see more content from me in the future. And that is it. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Hey, it's me, your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, Karma Medic.